All right, how's it going, guys? Here's another challenge coming at you. Me and my brother Tyler here. Okay, so we were just messing around in the gym a few minutes ago, and Dayton had the Rival. Here's the Rival, the new Nerf gun that Parker got for Christmas, and Dayton was shooting it. And here we were just minding our own business, playing a game of ping pong, pa 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 pa. And Dayton started shooting bullets at me, and I tried dodging them and hitting them with this ping pong paddle. It ain't easy. Those balls are flying super fast. So I got hit in the forehead a few times and in the chest.
Balls.
Yeah, and then Tyler, he was trying it out too.
Yeah.
So we got a challenge.
What is the challenge?
You're taking this.
Yeah.
And you're gonna try and dodge as many bullets, or not dodge them, but hit them with the paddle.
I'm trying to hit balls?
Hit the balls with the paddle.
All right.
Yeah. I'm gonna hit them too, and whoever gets hit with more balls loses.
All right. Everybody hear that? Everybody's trying to hit some balls.
And if you hit a ball, it actually cancels it out. So if you hit it, that's 1 point for you. If you get hit, that's 1 point against you.
All right.
Sound good?
All right.
Okay, we gotta go on the honor system here. Okay, so first round, Dane's gonna be our shooter with the Rival. Second round, Parker's gonna be our shooter with the Rival. And for both rounds, Connor is gonna be our cameraman. He's sitting right over here right now, but he's totally gonna be cameraman. So here you go, son. Camera it up. Tyler's gonna be going up against Dayton, and he's gonna see how many of these 30 bullets that he can dodge. Are you ready, Tyler?
Dodge or hit?
Hit. Ready?
All right.
In 3, 2, 1, go! Did you hit that one? Okay, he hit one. That counts. Whoa, right at his face. Dayton, get a little closer. Oh, he got hit by one.
Come on.
Oh, he got by two.
Shoot at me.
Hit by 3.
Oh. This is not.
Hit by 4.
Oh. Ow.
Hit by 5.
Oh.
Hit by 6. Oh, yeah.
Another one. Come on.
Oh, he got one. Oh, right in the throat. Got him right in the throat. That's going to be a good slow-mo. Hey, Dayton, good shooting, buddy. That's awesome. Give me 5. Good work. Yeah, okay. Tyler, you got hit by 9 and you hit 2 with your paddle. So you're -7. So -7 points for Tyler. We'll see what I can do up against Parker. Tyler, how do you feel like you fared?
I felt I did pretty good.
How did you fare, man?
Pretty good.
Yeah, you feel pretty good up there?
Yeah, I did.
Getting hit in the throat and in the balls.
Yeah, the nuts were a good one.
Yeah, that's nasty.
High five.
All right.
What is nasty?
Okay, do you think that I can do better?
No.
You don't think I can do better?
No.
You think I can have worse than -7? And plus,
Yes.
you know what's brutal too? Parker's been shooting with this thing for a little while now. So he's got some good aim. Although Dayton did pretty amazing. I'm ready. I'm ready to take on Parker. I'm gonna see how many I can block.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Load her up.
All right, bring it on! by 4.
You didn't hit 4.
Yes, I did. I just hit 2 at the end. Tyler, I'm sorry, bro. I totally beat you. You want a rematch?
I think it is absolute crap.
Absolute crap? Is that rematch style or what?
Yes, it is.
Okay, rematch. Parker, you're shooting against Tyler this time, and then Dayton's shooting against me. Okay, Parker, are you ready for this, baby? Yeah, you ready to shoot him?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. -1 already? Yeah. Okay, you got this? -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Oh, you got one. -6. Oh, -5. Oh. Oh no. Oh, he's at -8, -9, -10, -11. Right in the face. Oh, he got one. Dude, that's awesome. Okay, so you finished at -10, Ty. How do you feel about that? -10. I was counting them. You feel pretty good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good. You think you're gonna win this round?
Yes.
Okay. Ty figures he's gonna win this round. You were shooting good that one though. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, right in the throat! Oh, -2. Oh, -3, -4. Oh yeah, -3. Oh yeah, oh yeah, hit that one, -2. Oh yeah, -1, yeah! Oh yeah, 0. Hi, bud.
Yeah, but
I beat you, bro.
no, you didn't. You were cheating.
Until next time, peace.